tiles up, which are the same ceramic stuff, and then just paint the brown and make it, you know, fuchsia.
Fuchsia, ooh. My initial reaction to this room was, oh, it's a 60s bathroom because of the tile. But I guess it's not.
No, this is a kitchen. This is the kitchen. And I like the tile a lot. Like,
Maybe for just the backsplash.
yeah. I mean, we're gonna put in cabinetry of some sort. Simple, I think.
Yeah, I mean, I do like the vibe. It's very 60s. It's almost like that mid-century modern everybody's doing. The little Italian
Well,
splash.
It is mid-century.
Yeah,
You know,
it's
it's not redone, right?
We need to make it a little
And
modern.
we could probably lose this wall. It's a small kitchen. It's always gonna be a small kitchen, but if we lose just this little wall.
What do we have here? Is this pasta or beads?
Hold on. Let me do the pasta bead test. It's beads.
Are you sure you don't just cook this up and make a little sauce for it?
I mean,
Taste it. No, don't put that in your mouth. It's so gross.
can I keister it? Look at the structure. The plumbing's all on the outside, so having this be a kitchen is simpler than being deeper in the house. Yeah. Look at that. One room done. All right, we got the bathroom. This is the most 60s bathroom I've ever seen.
So this is the bathroom. I thought it was the other room with the tile on the wall, but actually the bathroom is this room with the tile on the wall. As you can see, it's pink, and we have a pink cabinet, but that's probably gotta go. I might try to keep this pink sink and tub. Toilet's gross. Because this is like, I don't know, shabby chic, like a grandma's house. So I kind of want to keep it. Obviously, to redo the plumbing. Electrical is a light bulb hanging from a plastic bag, so I don't think that that is safe. And maybe I could get some wallpaper to go with the pink in here.
Don't hate it, and I think that at least to start, until we do, you know, major renovations, I like it. I mean, just cleaned it up, and
Don't worry, I found a broom.
you're sure you want to touch that?
I hope so.
That's okay. I was pooping. I wasn't pooping. This is gross.
So this is the formal dining room.
I like it.
It's got formal stuff. We have a chandelier. We've got an armoire, curio cabinet, whole wall unit.
It's got a big built-in that's meant for a house 10 times the size.
If we took out this wall, we could have a bigger dining room.
I just don't think we need that big of a dining space. It's all about the rooftop here, you know?
I mean, it's a formal dining room. It's got a chandelier. We don't really need a formal dining room. It's just not what people are having these
You're
days.
absolutely right. I don't think we need it at all.
Ooh, wow, the curtains here. This look like something somebody sewed themselves in the 60s.
I think people are gonna be green with envy. We've got a roof leak. We'll get it taken care of. Again, just repair. We'll see when we get on that roof what it needs, but it's just gonna be a repair job, and that's paint.
Is it furry? Is it?
No, it's just algae. It's just what happens when there's humidity and water and nothing gets cleaned.